Viral nga sa social media ang naging interview ni Chloe San Jose at di umano ay ni Carlos Yulo. Isa sa reliable source at ang mga post nito sa Facebook page ay masasabi natin na may mga katotohanan. Yan ay walang iba kundi ang Daily News PH. Well, ano nga ba yung sinasabi natin? Mag-backward muna nga po tayo. Chloe Angela San Jose, nag-post siya before at sinabi niyang positive energy aligns with the universe blessing. Ito ay ang mga sunod-sunod na pagkuha kay Carlos, pagbibigay ng incentives. Now, which is dapat lang naman dahil nga siya ay 2 times gold medalist at si Carlos Yulo lang ang sa ngayon ay mayroon noon. Pero ang endorsement, hindi nila kinukuha si Carlos. So malaking kabawasan pa din. Ilan sa mga naging pahayag ni Carlos Yulo na hindi niya napapansin ay talagang nagiging lapastangan na siya at pinasasakitan ng gusto ang magulang ay ang pagsasabi nitong hindi ko po sila obligasyon dahil hindi ko po kasalanan na isinilang ako sa mundo. Which is, mayroon siyang point, pero ang pasakitan ng magulang at tahanang sabihin ito sa interview ay napakasakit nito. Matapos nga ang pagbabahagi natin sa nasabing nga pahayag na ito ni Chloe San Jose at nitong si Carlos Yulo, ang di umano ay nais niya nga ng pakasalan itong si Chloe next year at syempre magkaroon ng anak pero after na ito ng 2028 Olympics. Say ng ilang mga netizen matapos itanong kay Chloe kung pipirma ba siya ng prenup, sinabi nito na hindi niya pipirmahan ng prenup at kung sakaling ipipilit sa kanya, baka daw hiwalayan niya na si Carlos. Ang reason ni Chloe kung bakit hindi siya pipirma ng prenup dahil hindi naman sila magkakahiwalay ni Carlos at walang issue about doon dahil mahal na mahal niya ang Olympics gold medalist. Sino naman ang ilang netizen kung mahal mo talaga at walang issue, why not signing the prenup? Narito po ang ibinahagi ng Daily News PH. Mula sa nasabing artikulo ng Facebook page na Daily News PH, Chloe San Jose does not want to sign a prenup agreement before her wedding to Carlos Yulo. Should he make her sign or break up? 2 times Olympic gold medalist Carlos Yulo has answered many questions regarding his upcoming marriage to girlfriend Chloe San Jose. According to Carlos, he plans to marry Chloe next year. Maybe next year and have children, maybe after I compete in LA for the 2028 Olympics. We want to get married next year, said the Olympic champion during an interview at an event in BGC. Following this, the couple also revealed they have started living together after being handed the keys to a fully furnished 3-bedroom condominium worth 32 million pesos located in McKinhill. This is just one of the rewards Carlos received for bringing honor to the country after winning 2 gold medals in the Olympics. The Olympian also admitted that they adjusted to their new home in Taguig for several days. I moved in but it's really beautiful. Yan pa ang pahayag ni Carlos. Just last month, Chloe showcased a surprise from Carlos in celebration of their 52nd monthsary. Along with a bouquet of flowers, the Olympic hero also gave a love letter to the vlogger. In the letter, the gymnast expressed his gratitude for Chloe's support, stating, "We did it, my love. Now let's focus on our next goals and of course, I'm excited to be a daddy and a husband." Dito na nga naitanong kay Chloe San Jose kung pipirma ba siya ng prenup agreement bago ang kanilang kasal. As a result, many netizens reacted to the love letter and speculated about when the couple would actually get married. When an entertainment writer asked if there would be a prenup agreement before the wedding and if Chloe would be willing to sign to protect Carlos' wealth, Chloe simply answered that she does not want to sign any prenup agreement with Carlos because she loved him. Chloe jokingly said if she is forced to sign a prenup agreement, she will end her relationship with Carlos by now. Carlos' face showed no reaction to Chloe's answer. Kaya naman sa inang mga netizen, be smart Kaloy, huwag magpautos sa higanting lintang iyan. Kung mahal ka niya, prenup agreement is not a problem. If she does not agree with the prenup, then she wants your money more than love. Don't be stupid. Say naman ng isa, Kaloy, wake up ka na. It's not yet too late. hindi kayo bagay, parang mother mo lang siya, love na love ka niya kasi may pera ka. Use your head, not your heart. Oy, Kaloy, pera lang habol sa iyo niyan, kaya ibuka mo ang mata mo, layman mo na, hiwalay. Kung hiwalay, mabuti nga para makita ka pa ng tunay na magmamahal sa iyo, hindi pera lang. Naniniwala naman ng iba na di umano ay fake news daw ang nasabing balitang iyon. I may not like the couple but this has no basis at all. This is just like those EJ saying bad things about Carlos, pure fake news. Even she signed or not the prenup agreement, she will leave Kaloy one of day if she found someone who is more rich than Kaloy, pesos versus dollar. Those couple who sign for prenup agreement, both sides are more professional, intelligent, hardworking with their own money and property. Say naman ng isa, kung di ka sikat at madaming nakuhang pera at mga bahay, for sure di ka papatulan ni Chloe kasi imposible kang patulan ni Chloe, blank ng bayan yan sa Australia. Anyway, mahirap nga talagang husgahan ang dalawa. Pero ang sinasabi nga ng mga netizen ay yung pagiging maayos nilang anak sa kanilang mga magulang na mas okay kung ito ay magiging maayos at pwede naman na pagkatapos nun at saka sila maging okay na magsama. Dahil nga mahirap nga naman daw yung magsasama na mayroon kayong problema pareho sa inyong pamilya. Well, ano mas sa inyo about dito? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.